Hello and welcome to this new Monday report from Bourdier. The most important macroeconomic figures last week were in Europe, where confidence indicators were relatively disappointing. And for the United States, the upward revision of second quarter GDP, durable goods orders, and consumer confidence were all better than expected. But the most anticipated figures were those for consumer prices, the July PCE, and as expected, they rose by 0.2% over the month and by 2.6% over the year, and even 2.9% for core PCE, which means a slight acceleration, as you can see here on the chart. The dilemma for the Federal Reserve, which will meet on September 17th, remains the trade-off between this inflation, which is still above target, and the labor market. This is why the August employment report, which will be released on Friday, will be of particular importance. In the markets, after the rally of recent weeks, investors opted for caution last week. You can see that gold, with a performance of plus 1.9%, is approaching its highs around $3,500. Sovereign bonds are slightly positive, while equity markets are down by 0.1% in the United States and 2% in Europe. In Europe, where confidence has been undermined by the unstable political situation in France, the banking sector actually fell by 4.5% last week, and Christine Lagarde has already indicated that she is closely monitoring the evolution of French sovereign yields. In our portfolios, we remain constructive on Nvidia. The stock jumped 29% over the past 3 months, and the second quarter results published last week exceeded expectations. Visibility is relatively good in our view for the next 2 quarters. The real test will come with the new generation of chips Rebin. The question is whether the performance increase compared to the current generation, called Blackwell, will be sufficient to maintain sales growth at levels compatible with the stock's current valuation. We will come back to this topic. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention and see you next week.